What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Akondo 360 channel. Today, we're diving into the latest from Oppo, the Reno 13 series. This lineup promises flagship features, stunning design, and impressive AI-powered cameras. But is it worth your money? Let's find out. Section 1. Design and Display. Starting with the design, Oppo has really stepped up their game. The Reno 13 series flaunts a sleek urban avant-garde look with curved edges, premium materials, and ultra-thin bezels. The Pro model, in particular, stands out with its premium build and a gorgeous 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix or gaming, this display is buttery smooth with stunning clarity and deep blacks. Plus, with IP69 water and dust resistance, these phones can handle some rough conditions, even underwater photography. Section 2. Performance and Software. Under the hood, the Reno 13 and 13 Pro pack the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, while the Reno 13F gets a MediaTek Helio G100. Performance-wise, everyday tasks are a breeze, and even gaming is smooth, thanks to the high refresh rate and powerful GPU. Oppo has also integrated ColorOS 14, bringing AI enhancements, better RAM management, and a smoother UI experience. But is it as polished as stock Android or One UI? Let me know what you think in the comments. Section 3. Camera Capabilities. Now, let's talk about the cameras, arguably one of the most exciting parts of the Reno 13 series. The standard Reno 13 packs a 50MP main sensor, while the Pro model steps it up with a 50MP telephoto and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Selfie lovers? You're in for a treat with a 50MP front camera. Oppo's AI-powered photography modes like AI Clarity, AI Portrait, and AI Reimage really help in getting some stunning shots. Night mode, in particular, has improved significantly. But how does it compare to other flagship cameras? Well, we'll put it to the test in another video. Section 4. Battery and Charging. Battery life? No worries here. The Reno 13 series offers massive 5,600 mAh to 5,800 mAh batteries, with the Pro model supporting 80W fast charging and even 50W wireless charging. That means you can go from 0 to 50% in just under 15 minutes. Section 5. Final thoughts and price. So, should you buy the Oppo Reno 13 series? If you're looking for a stylish phone with a high-quality display, AI-powered cameras, and great battery life, then absolutely. However, if you're after flagship-level performance, you might want to compare it with other devices in this price range. The standard Reno 13 starts at around $499, while the Pro model can go up to $699, depending on the configuration. The budget-friendly Reno 13F sits at about $399. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the Reno 13 series? Are you upgrading or waiting for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.